Welcome to By Nature's Side with me, Sharon. And on today's episode we talk about ducks in the UK. Let's take a look at one of Britain's most beloved and fascinating bird species. Whether you're an avid bird watcher, a casual nature lover or just someone who enjoys a peaceful walk by the water, ducks are a part of our everyday landscape. But how much do we really know about them? Today we explore the diverse species that call the UK home, the habitats they thrive in and the challenges they face in an ever-changing world. We'll begin by getting to know some of the UK's most common and striking duck species. Our waterways are home to an array of different ducks, each with their own unique characteristics, such as the mallard duck. Mallards are arguably the most iconic duck in the UK. You've probably seen them gliding across ponds or quacking away in local parks. The males are easy to spot with their iridescent green heads and bright yellow bills, while the females blend into their surroundings with brown speckled plumage. Highly adaptable, mallards can thrive in both rural and urban environments, making them one of the most successful duck species in Britain. Next we have the tufted duck, a striking little diving duck with a black and white body and a distinctive tuft of feathers on its head. These birds prefer deeper waters and are often spotted on lakes, reservoirs and large ponds. Unlike mallards, which dabble on the surface, tufted ducks dive deep to forage for food such as molluscs and aquatic plants. The Eurasian teal is our smallest duck, but what it lacks in size it makes up for in beauty. The males sport chestnut heads with a dazzling green stripe running through their eyes, while the females are more camouflaged with brown speckles. You're more likely to see these birds in winter, when thousands migrate to the UK from colder regions to escape harsh weather. Another diving duck, the common pochard, can be recognised by its deep red head, black chest and pale grey body. They are winter visitors to the UK, often found on large lakes and estuaries. They have an interesting feeding habit. They tip their bodies forward and dive underwater to search for plant material and small invertebrates. We can't forget about the northern shoveler. This duck has a unique feature, its enormous spatula-shaped bill. Males are particularly eye-catching, with bright green heads, white chests and chestnut sides. Shovelers use their oversized bills like sieves, filtering out tiny aquatic creatures as they sweep their heads from side to side across the water. You can see on the footage here the tufted duck. They're quite a quick little duck, how they swim and just dive at any given moment, so they can be hard to capture, as one minute you can be filming and the next minute they just dive under the water. The male is black and white, beautiful striking little duck, and the female is brown as seen here, but of course still has the little tuft on top. The Cayuga, featured here, is one of my favourites. I think it's a beautiful duck. It's an American breed, actually, and it was first exported to the United Kingdom in 1851. The origins of the Cayuga are obscure. Little is known about them. It doesn't appear to have descended from the mallard, like most domestic ducks do. One theory is that it descends from the American black duck. So not too sure on that really. It has gorgeous plumage and looks amazing gliding over the water. Well, I think it does anyway. I'm sure there'll be other people that agree or don't. Now that we've met some of the UK's most common ducks, let's talk about where they live. Ducks are highly adaptable birds, but they still need the right environments to thrive. Some of the key habitats include wetlands and marshes. Places like the Norfolk Broads and the Somerset Levels are prime duck habitats. They offer plenty of food and shelter. Lakes and reservoirs, larger bodies of water such as Rutland Water, are essential stopovers for migratory ducks. Coastal estuaries with locations such as the Severn Estuary are crucial for wintering flocks, providing rich feeding grounds. Urban parks and canals prove that even in the heart of our towns and cities, ducks are happy to make a home on our artificial lakes and waterways. Each habitat I've mentioned plays a crucial role in supporting different duck species, but these areas are under threat due to climate change, pollution and habitat destruction. Ducks may be a familiar sight, but they are facing serious challenges. Climate change is altering migration patterns, habitat loss is reducing nesting sites, and water pollution is affecting food supplies. Wetland restoration organisations like the RSPB and the Wildfowl and Wetlands Trust are working hard to protect vital wetland habitats. Reducing pollution and keeping our rivers and lakes clean is essential for healthy duck populations. Thankfully, many conservation efforts are underway to help ducks continue to thrive. If we take action now, we can ensure that these wonderful birds remain a cherished part of the UK's landscape for generations to come. So next time you're out for a walk and you see a group of ducks paddling across the water, take a moment to appreciate them. They are more than just a familiar sight, they are an integral part of our natural world. And remember, stay close to nature. See you soon.